I would like to explain experiment number 6, implementation of doubly linked list. First we use init construct function node class. Then init is the constructor for node that initialize value of the data and none to the next of previous class variables. Then init function linked list start set the head of the value to the node. Insert at beginning. Create a class object for node class and pass the data to be inserted new node equal to node of data. Then make next field as new node point head new node dot next equal to head and the recently inserted new node head equal to new node. Then insert at the end. Check if head is pointing none. The true pass the data to be inserted to the insert at begin function. Else create a new node. Take a head in a temporary variable temp equal to head. Transfers across the linked list and check if the next field is none. If it is none, then update the next field with new node temp dot next equal to new node. Set the previous field of new node to previous last node. New node dot previous equal to temp. Then insert after function. The method must position the data to be inserted after the key. Check if the key position is 0. It is true. Call insert begin. Then it transfers across the list using temp and check the following condition. If counter is required position and next field of the node is not none, then it new node dot previous equal to temp dot next equal to previous equal to new node temp dot next equal to new node. Then it else check if the counter is required position and next field of node is none. If it is true, calls insert at end. Then if it is true, print position not found. In each iteration, increment counter by 1 and update temp with temp dot next. Then it stops. Then delete the node. It must takes the value to be deleted as parameter. Check if head is none. If it is true, print the empty and returns from the function. Else take self dot head equal to temporary variable temp if head is not none and temp dot next equal to none if there is single element in list. If temp dot next data equal to value head equal to temp dot next and it returns while if temp is none last node then prints key not found and returns once found. Update the next field of the previous node with the next field of the node previous node dot next equal to temp dot next. Then it deletes the temp and display the method. Take head in the temporary variable. Check if head is none and if true, print list is empty. Else it while using while loop print temp dot data until temp dot next is none. Then it stops and it initializes all the printed values and else it stops the program. And the input we are giving choice 1 and data to be 29 and current list 29, choice 2 and data 2001, current list is 29 2001, choice 3 data 8 and enter the position 1 position not found, current list 29 8 2001, choice 4 2001 and current list 29 08, choice 5 current list 29 8 and choice 6 then it implements the double linked list has been completed, then it stops the